Hey guys, in today's episode I'm going to be making pretty much the simplest blacksmithing project there is. It's going to be a tutorial so you can come along with me and do it yourself. I told you guys I would do the spade hook tutorial in, I think it was the leaf keychain video. So it's going to be super simple. I'm not even going to put a twist in the spade hook, so let's jump right into it. Okay, so the first step is going to be to start to put a blunt taper on it by just holding it over the edge of the anvil and hitting it on that corner. Okay, so once you have your blunt taper done, then you're going to find a sharp spot on the anvil and come a little bit back from where your taper ends and give it some nice hard blows and make sure you stay on that shoulder and set that shoulder in good, and then come up with it and just start flaring out those sides. Okay, so the next step is going to be to just start another taper on the opposite end that you put the spade on. Okay, so now we're gonna make this finial. Be sure that the shoulder is facing up towards you so that you do not put it on the wrong side, because I like to do that sometimes. And then once you get it fed out over the edge, you can just roll it back over towards you. Roll that down. Until it is touching, and then try to get it centered. That is good. So now let's go on to making the hook. Okay, so be sure to cool that finial before you do this so that you don't bang it in, and then just start feeding this out like you're making a giant finial over the horn and wrapping it around. Make sure it's straight in line, and it'll be finished. Okay, so we got it finished up. That was just a little tutorial. I needed something really quick since I'm trying to post weekly now. So the next project will be a big project. I think I'm going to be making a shield. So be sure to subscribe and hang around for that, and I'll see you in the next one.